Want a car that stops before falling off the edge? Want a car that detects edges and stays safe? Hi, I am Manish Gupta and welcome to CyberSox. In this video, we are going to make edge detection robot. Edge detection robot uses two IR sensor which are inserted below our car. So when IR sensor detects the surface, it will move. If it did not detect a surface, it will stop moving. Let's build our robot. Alright everyone, now it's time to build our robot. Today we will be using Cybersox Robot Kit 2.0 step by step from scratch. This kit is specially designed for make robotics fun, simple and hands-on. So your kid can learn robotics and programming. Assemble your car using Cybersox car assembly manual. First connect our USB to our brain. Now let's connect other end of the USB to our computer. Connect our left motor 2-pin cable to LM port and right motor 2-pin cable to RM port. Now connect 3-pin cable to IR sensor and other end of the 3-pin cable to sensor 1 port. Now connect 3-pin cable to second IR sensor and put other end of the 3-pin cable to S2 port. That is our sensor 2. Now flip the car. Insert IR sensor. Insert the IR sensor. Let's open our Google Chrome and search Cybo Socks and hit enter and visit cybersource.com. Click on learn, choose documentation, click on projects, click on search and search your project. Now you have opened edge detection project, scroll to flowchart. Now let's understand our flowchart. We are starting our program. We are connecting IR sensor 1, IR sensor 2. If value from either IR sensor is 0, we will stop the car. Otherwise, we will move forward and we will repeat this process again. Now let's understand algorithm of this program. We are creating IR sensor 1. We are creating IR sensor 2. We are starting infinite loop. We will read values from left and right IR sensor. If any edge detected, we will stop the car, else move forward and repeat this process again. Let's code our program. Now scroll to code building steps. Step 1 is create sensor pins. We will create IR sensor left, IR sensor right using get IR sensor block. Now go to pins and sensor, pick get IR sensor block, right IR left, right IR right, choose sensor 2. Now second step is create motor movement functions. We will be creating forward function and stop function using set left motor right motor block and stop both motor block. Go to functions, pick define function block, right forward. Go to car actions, pick set left motor right motor block. For forward, left motor direction is clockwise and right motor direction is clockwise. Duplicate this block. Right stop. Go to car actions, pick stop both motor block. Third step is detecting edges. We will start an infinite loop and if any of the IR sensor did not detect the surface, I will stop the car. Otherwise, I will move forward. Go to control, pick while block. Go to method logic, pick true block. This is creating infinite loop. Go to control, pick if block. Click on wheel icon, put else beneath if. Now go to operators, pick logical block. Choose or. Now go to operators, pick comparison block. Choose equal to. Go to ESP logic, pick read digital block. Our IR sensor left is IR left. Write it here. Go to variable string, pick value block. Write 1. Duplicate this block. Put it here. Second IR sensor is IR left. Second IR sensor is IR right. Write it here. Now go to functions. Pick function call block. Write stop. Duplicate function call block. Write forward. Now go to time, pick wait block, write 0.05. Let's compare flowchart with our program. We are creating IR sensor 1.2 To achieve this, we are using get IR sensor block. We are checking if either IR sensor detects no surface. We are achieving this by using read digital value block. If it's true, we will stop the car, else we will move forward. To achieve this, we are calling stop function and forward function. Great job! Now you know how to make a car that stops before falling off the edge. And you also know how to make a car that detects edges and stays safe. For the upcoming project, we are going to make line following car, a car that follows the line. If you have understood how to make stay safe and do not fall from the table or edge, please subscribe our channel and like this video.